Don't let him get the best of you.
Watch, are you trying to eat my stuff?
That's about the same size as the other one too.
The hair smaller.
Yeah, maybe.
I was getting ready to reel it in.
And he hit
it again.
And he hit it.
And he nailed it on the reel.
That's 2-0, Josh. I think it just knocked him off.
That's a good bass.
That's a nice bass.
All day long right there, Bubba.
Well, it must be your color. I need to set my drag a little bit.
That's another really good bass.
Yeah, these are good keepers, that's for sure.
Yeah. I think that's the littlest one of the bunch.
Yeah, Josh, I'm sure it is.
What are you handing it to me for?
Well, you got the stringer right there.
You got him hooked by one hook.
Uh-huh. How come I'm catching all the small ones, Josh? You gonna get him?
No, I'm fishing. Here's a color.
You got him. Yeah, they're all about the same size here. Except for that big one I caught.
Yeah.
I believe he's the smallest one yet, Josh.
Might be.
He's even smaller than the ones I caught. Yeah, he's still a good fish. I mean, I don't want to get your hooks in that net.
He ain't coming out of that.
Okay. That a good one?
Nah. I mean,
No, he's a flopper. I believe he's the smallest one yet, Josh.
might be.
He's even smaller than the ones I caught.
He ain't coming out of that.
Okay. There you go. He's probably the best one yet. That's probably about a 2.5 pounder there.
You want me to keep catching big fish in front of you, Dad?
That's okay, I don't mind it. As long as I take them home, you catch them, I'll take them home. Yeah.
Probably a 3-pound fish.
Yeah, close to it.